Hey everybody, Rob Karpik, Chief Revenue Officer for i5LED. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and one of the things that we're debuting here is our secure line of products. So what you're seeing here is a COB display that has no air gaps. So we are finding ourselves involved in a lot of government and military work where we can't have any air gaps. So there cannot be any penetration via Bluetooth, wireless, or fiber. And this display actually has no memory. So everything is wiped completely from the display once the image is gone. And this is just part of our secure line of products. We also have an LCD product as well, and are near completion on a TAA compliant controller, completely developed, engineered, and produced by i5LED. If you're in the government space, in the military space, we would love to have that conversation with you because we are working night and day to improve upon this line. Look forward to talking to you. Rob Karpik, i5LED, www.i5led.com.